is it? Something about this?
This sign, this. It means love forever. Can you do it 2 times?
Let me try. This?
This way.
Let me see. This. This. Oh, this.
Yeah.
Promise me something. Would you do it?
What is it? Enyo. Look at me. You know your wish is my command. And I am all for you.
I want you to promise me you will love me till the end of time.
Enyo. What makes you think I will desert you? Look at me. You have nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing. Read my lips. To fear, huh?
Nothing.
I mean nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah. Go on.
Yes.
See, it is getting late, and I think my mother will be looking for me by now. Let's go. Come on, let me get up and lift you up. Let's go.
Chop off my plantain.
Ah, Efo. Have I done something seriously wrong to chop off this plantain? Huh? Anyway, it has blocked the path.
Kokuma. Hey, Kokuma. Oh, who asked you to use this path?
What else do you expect me to use to my farm?
Brother, don't ask this useless question. It's my father who crept at your farm. Sure.
Hey, Lebanon, mind the way you talk to me, eh? Mind the way you talk to me.
Kokuma, if I don't, what can you do to me? Eh? What can you do to me? I have been trapping you for a very long time. And today of all days, you Kokuma, you have fallen very perfectly into my trap.
Hey, Efo, talk to your son.
Banka.
Talk to him.
Banka.
What trap have you set for me? You slapped me?
Hey, don't worry about it. Va. You do cap latte.
Voto mo. You chop off my plantain and tell me you haven't done it.
Go. What do you mean? God damn it!
My plantain.
What you mean? These things. Next time, can't stand you can't play.
Papa, what has happened? Why are you running? Papa, I hope it is not Efo and his stupid son again. Who else? Who else in this village can upset me than Efo and his family? Papa, when I told you going to let sleeping dogs lie now? Papa, don't waste your time listening to Ousu. Tell me, what did they do to you? I swear, today is the end of Efo and his family. Liban had the guts to slap me, and then Papa was a princess or Janechi. Today, either I will kill, Efo will kill me, or I will. He who wakes a sleeping dog up must be ready for its backing. I now have the clear opportunity to deal with Lebanon.
Papa, what is the meaning of all these bones and consternations?
Shut up! Bunkers! Someone has slapped your father, and instead of you revenging on his behalf, you are here making a fool of yourself.
Butter!
Thank you, my son. Thank you. I regret he's my firstborn. Owusu, you have to wake up. Wake up, Owusu, wake up. Wait, Jimmy Dodo. I'm going there straight away. Go. Stupid father of yours, huh?
Please, what can we do for you?
What can you do for me? I said, what is that good for nothing father of yours?
Please, he left for the farm about an hour ago.
When he comes, tell him he has bitten more than he can chew. And he has bargained for what he cannot contend.
What has our father done?
Do you want to be part of the game? Huh? Do you want to be part of the game? Huh? When that stupid father and brother of yours comes, tell them I, Kofi Bota, was here. And they shouldn't dare any member of my family. Huh? You hear? Huh?
Koso baba tofu kongo. Afu vavaga. Mi poga.
You are all witnesses to what is going on in this village. They have reopened a healed wound, and I will deal drastically with them.
That is very, very true.
Sure.
But we are going to give them what they did not bargain for.
Sir, and from today, we have rekindled the enmity between me, Afosu, and Kokuma.
Nyalema.
The enmity between her and Shati. We have nothing in common. The only thing we have in common is the heart we have for each other. Therefore,
Papa, Why are you making me part of this? I have nothing against Openyukuma and his family.
Shut up! Rotola! Shut up! I said Sati and Onafa have nothing in common. Hey, if I should catch you together with any of them, Cho, Rokuma kill you. I personally will kill you. Rokuma will kill you. Cho, over for fair.
With all this pressure on us, what are we going to do?
Do you think your father will kill you?
What are we going to do? He sounded more than serious. Oh.
Let's leave everything to
Papa! 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 Everybody show! Papa! Hey!
What are you saying? Hey, you're like this. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Hey, it's the part that's any pan, yes, how do you win?
Also, one papa.
Hey, but I'm here.
Also, when you move now. Papa, we can see this on the movie. What you must on here?
What? I said, next year, no, what? Yo.
Also, now I die and I see
Papa, some of you your mouth. Give me what I got to move.
Also, kind of cry. Hey, also, Papa, dear man, they are living time. Where you living time? Where you living time? I said my baby. Where you living time? Hey, Missy, man, and I'm any of my phone. Yet, time. And Sassia, and now drain our Sassia. I'm running via my woman, my over son or my Papa. Mimi coffee water. Me puno. Wait. Me dem see I'm not phone on here side way. Hey. A bro, I'm going to put a swap. Maybe to a got tongue. I'm not to Mamma me name in Mano. Anna, I'm going to need a penny. Obashini.
Papa, say can crack us over to boy Afranik and I'm about time.
Also, also in the Moshe.
Papa, I rather see my Jennifer.
Whoever did this to me will never go scot-free. I will deal with him or her in my own way.
Papa, I suspect nobody than Efo and his stupid son. Or Osu, what do you think?
But you are right. You are right. Efo and his son did this to me. I, Kokuma, will never forgive them. Now, they have reopened the old wound. They have hit me harder than I thought. None of you will have anything to do with Efo, his family, or the Ewa tribe. People from that tribe are nothing but vicious bunch of people. None of you can make friends with them. So any of you disobey me, I will kill you. I will kill you. Enobua, talk to your children. Talk to them, especially Owusu. Hey, Owusu. He will dare me, but I will not forgive him.
Kuma and Efo, I want the two of you to live in peace. After all, this village is a very small place, and I want all of us to live in harmony.
Odikro, so muntimi church assembly mu nkyerɛn a, mo mo twale nkɔ, muntimi sɛ mre.
Well, as I've already stated, this village is a small place, and we cannot afford to live in acrimony. Efo, Kuma, let this be the last time the two of you are appearing before me.
Odikro, se assembly ni obi mu dia, me sra oni diem, mo djuma bi di. Di mese kwa na mako. Boa, yanko. Come yanko.
Bra, dem tonjo.
Stop the war.
Hey, listen.
Let's live in peace and harmony. Stop the war. Let's give peace one more chance.
Respect. Together we can stand. Together we can build. Together we can make it. Together we can win. Together we can make it. Together we can stand. Stand for the right.
Boa.
For the right now.
Ana boa. Owusu. Koda Owusu.
Papa.
Aha. Kofi pota wa efa. Friend mame. Snase.
Butter. Coffee butter. Yes, sir.
Prepare from. We did you.
AFRANIE seme.
Montrase. I want all of you to understand that Efo, his family, and his tribe are our enemies. People from Efo's tribe are wicked and malicious. They are like the mamba snake.
Papa, you don't need to remind me of this.
I know, but I need to remind Owusu. Owusu, our tribe and DS have nothing in common, and it is a taboo for an Asante to man an Ewe.
Papa, what at all is the problem between we the Ashantis and the Ewes?
Hey! Owusu, take what I've told you or leave it. Should you have anything to do with Efo or family or his tribe, that will be the end of you. And a minute, that will be the end of you.
Owusu, you must understand your father. Efo's tribe caused the plight of your grandmother just because she refused to marry his uncle.
Stop the war. Let's live in peace and harmony. Stop the war. Let's give peace one more chance.
Angwafo, omuyi awudifo papa.
This is the second time I am telling you this in the week. Nobody goes to God for blessing and asks God to bless his enemies. Huh? I have no problem with your mother and Labani. But you, Selassie, and then you...
Anyo. Never phone your grandma. Magana tonatrio. Magakuto sama. Never talk back kwa. Kokuma fofu moto wi. Wo wi. Nyaka don fifia. Atam kanya onyan. Atam kanya onyan. Me vone crowd.
Hey, I will not be kind to any of you who should be found disobeying what I told you. Look, I will kill any person should any of you go contrary. Hey, should any of you see any of Kokuma's family members in your dream, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Huh? Miss Amy?
We don't have to allow their traits to kill our love for each other.
How can we continue to love each other when the same love undermines our very existence?
And no, you don't worry. There is always a way out. We will schedule our meeting very far away from the village. Huh?
We'll soon be found out. I think it will be in our own interest if we stop seeing each other.
Stop seeing each other. And you know that will not be easy for me. I'm not afraid to die for love.
I cannot afford to die at this age. I am not a happy person at all. Hey, Owusu. It's getting late, and I don't want to raise any suspicion. Please, let's go home.
and accepting us red face like a red monkey. Huh? Why I need to start you cocoa searching? If I get you, my damage you, I'll destroy you. Monkey face.
Selassie, why is Efo insisting we should not marry from Openye Kokume's family?
Why? Are you interested in any man from that family?
No, but I need some explanation.
If you are not, why do you need an explanation? We don't have to disobey our parents.
Selassie, are you one of them?
One of who? Me? I don't want to cause any abomination. No.
What abomination? I have clearly seen you are on their side. It's okay. Dada, I am now ready to marry. What am I supposed to do?
Anyo, Bojidi, Esia, Macpil for me at a boom loan. Namanka Caviaresa.
Dada, am I permitted to start searching?
I want some. Alakbo, Gaka Kokuma Papa Maguro. Ow. Blue Toha. Auro.
Why no Asante man? And why no member from Openye Kokume's family?
Anyo, Enya Mahode. Malabe Magadenya Manao. Oh, Asamba Kuma Kaka. Oh, Unkejo.
Dada, I have not met any man from our tribe that I love. So what am I supposed to do?
Make play blue tall. Nyata kamala mi adomo. Kokuma papa mahana ne mai. Atamala grona bena gbojidida. Ah.
Then I'll not marry.
Oh. Sakokuma. Ana santifonti na onwalia. Oh, anu be romance sister. Oh. Po. Gakama gakudron. Ba vai de blue tall. I look kokuma papa mato. Samaya nanema aku. Chok ba ji magada funamu. Lenya manti. Nanchuo manya wogbato. Chora nkuma na yi. Pojimura.
Dada,
Anyo.
What is actually going on between our family and Openye Kokume's family?
Anyo nam. Ebianya mama dama na ohode. Nyada kama galio. Ekponya jode togbe oji afie kuwa. Kokuma ofopo moto. Owi.
Dada.
Okay.
I don't think this is wholly true. There might be some other factors.
Nyakata konyema nyada kama galio. Ejodri afie ku. Yo zube mi ahamia papa ma center. Yo na nyunu ma ha ejadaba. Asama.
So, does it mean there can't be any possible marriage between someone from our family and their family?
Oh, Anyo. Enyo magatrito. Enyo magatrito enyo maba magatrito. Sa nyakata konya mama ba ao. Esama maba ao. Davia. Nyoro jojom. Ba, alo na janya la ko mama. Manya onya bia mala. Na nya bana va janya la ko mama. Kana jira dosia. Esama. Chima wanu na macho.
Gachanye. Magoja.
Nama do.
Someone with you. I said, tell me who is that person? Huh?
No.
Hey, then what are you doing here all alone? I suspect there's someone with you. Should I find that person? Both of you will be dead. You are lucky. You have to go home.
Why should I go?
This time, I will kill you.
What has she done again?
Mchokonya klo, miafonu le fasu de den.
Iri?
Yakema college be. Ela ahia jam.
Afika.
La fa mama.
Makapakama.
Kokuma wo fo mama.
Over my dead body. Not until I die. It will never happen.
Kanacho, Kaba. Kanachoro.
Oh, I know Olivia and girl. Hey, Babu to Jenny Agoma. A true Olivia. This little Akbar, this girl wants to spoil my appetite. Oh, Bobo, look, I know. I will kill this girl. I know. Back there.
Oh.
Kokuma, which of your sons is interested in my daughter? Tell that stupid son of yours to back out. Otherwise, I'll kill him.
Aputo Amrani, which of my responsible sons will be interested in your good-for-nothing daughter?
Ask them, not me. Kokuma, if you don't want to bury them, want them very, very well. Majo.
No, me tell me ba awari Amrani. Just me wu kura me sama kura no empene. Amrani, me kotia mente. Ejam for pa so de o mo pa. Boa, I want you to ask your sons for me. Which one of them is going out with Efo's daughter?
Your father says, which one of you is going out with Efo's daughter?
Gentlemen, I am demanding for the answer. Papa, you know me.
I will not go out with any woman from that family, let alone Efo's daughter. Papa, if you have any question, ask Owusu.
Owusu, are you going out with Efo's daughter?
Owusu, are you going out with Efo's daughter?
Papa, I'm innocent. I'm innocent of false accusation.
Also, I trust Buddha, but you, I cannot. I am going to set spies on you. Should you be involved with her? Also, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Owusu, you must be very careful. Must be very careful. Oh.
Mama, me call.
Anyo, is your mother telling me the truth or not? Hey, will you answer my question? Hey, get one thing clear. From now, I am going to be monitoring your movements. Sure. Hey. Should you see any shouting man in your dream, open your eyes. Anyo, magatem timolo, navako wrong side of me, olo. Don't tempt me to see the wrong side of me here. I have gone here to warn them. Get out of my sight! Baba, get out of here! Oh, you mean that? Lebele. Baba, I want you to start monitoring her from now. Follow her every minute of the day.
Merci.
Huh?
Merci.
And you may go to continue your work. Oh, complain like we. Only complain you give. You don't know how to control the game. The two of you will meet me. Sure.
Owusu, with all this pressure on us, what are we going to do?
I've told you to leave everything to posterity. All what we have to do now is not talking to anybody, or even not doing anything suspicious.
See, my mother told me my father is monitoring me. He asked Lebene to follow me.
Me too. Then I think Lebene might be following you to this spot. All what we have to do now is we choose a location. We come and live there individually. Is that right?
I think that is how we can manage it for now. What at all happened between our two families? It might be something terrible.
So I'm told. They don't give us the details. We need to find out the truth. Listen, no matter what my family will do, I will still love you.
Nonye! So you are the Asante dog who's been seeing who be seeing my sister, eh? Eh? You are the one seeing my sister. Look, I won't beat you. How many times have you done the thing? Hey! How many times have you done the thing? Yeah, no.
How long shall we carry on the fighting? How long shall we hate those who can and should be loved by us? No matter where you're coming from the north or south or east or west, nothing matters more than the love we have to share.
Also, hey! Have you been attacked by Efo and his son?
No, Papa. I fell on the rock when I was visiting the traps.
I thought they attacked you. You have to be very careful on this rock, so.
Hey! Cho! Phew! Thank your stars that Lebene gave you that small wound. Next time, I will shoot you dead. I warned you never to get closer to my daughter. Huh? Next time, Cho, you will not survive.
Efo, next time you see him with your daughter, kill him.
I will kill him. Cho.
Waso entikasa.
Can't solve the problem. Oh no, tribal
Mama brego pa. Mama brego. Hey, Owusu, you have reduced me to nothing in front of FO. Did you lie to us? Huh? Fool, did you lie to us? Stupid boy. Today you are finished. Papa. Jamil Fago run it to Nimpin. Next time, Obisiansa. Papa Jai. Simi.
Enyo.
Papa.
Vafi. Enyo.
Papa.
Why did you run away to them? What were you and that Wusu boy doing there? Enyo.
Papa.
Did he do the thing?
Papa, no.
Then what did you run away? What were you doing there?
Me tama bumla, me aba foma.
Shoo, me put it now.
Papa.
Have I given you any job to discuss their family with that Wusu boy?
Oh, Papa.
Then why? Enyo, come
Papa.
Vafi. And
Papa.
didn't I tell you I don't want to see you and that Wusu boy?
Yes, Papa.
No,
Mama, no kukuna. Oh, Papa. Oh, Mama, no kukuna. Papa.
Get up, go to your
Papa.
Go to your
Papa.
I have told you, Enyo, don't tempt me. I will kill you, Enyo. You and your dada will come and meet me here. Sure. I told you that I don't like you and that boy's company. You. What? Keep quiet over there. Manyanko.
Also,
what are you doing here? No, it's too dangerous. All eyes are on us.
Also, we have to go and see the chief priest tomorrow for protection and explanation to what is going on. Our lives are in more danger now. Also, bye.
What should we do? Should we run away?
Nana.
Yes.
Could you please explain to us the impasse between our two families to us?
The truth behind the problems, all the hatred between your families has never been told for the past 40 years. Now that you have asked me, I must tell the truth. Somewhere in the year
Very soon, we are going to be husband and wife.
Really? Please, would you love me to the end of time?
You still don't believe me? You know what? We will go to the chief priest tomorrow for blood covenant.
What? Blood covenant? Okay. Nana, we've decided to take blood covenant to show our commitment for each other.
you don't need blood covenant to show your commitment for each other.
Nana, I have tried in vain to persuade to change her mind, but she is not convinced.
If you want it done, I will do it for you. But there is a price to pay. Should any one of you fail to honor the promise you made to each other, both of you will go mad. Mubebo dam.
Nana, we don't have any problem with that. Or Doji, do we?
No. Now, I will need pubic hair from both of you and 2 pieces of gold from your family shrine. Brago.
Yes, Nana.
Banana, why did you ask them to bring no other gold apart from the one from their family shrines?
I said that to prevent them from taking the covenant. Because to get access to the family's shrine was almost impossible. So this is what Birago, you are a very brave woman. How did you manage to get them from the shrine? How did you?
Nana, I'm not called Brago for nothing. If I want something, no matter the consequence, I go for it.
Good. If we give you the opportunity, you can kill a lion. Now give me the hair. Now, I will need your blood. It will be used to seal the bond. Now let me ask you for the last time. Do you people understand what you are asking for? Should one of you decide not to marry, both of you will go mad. Do you agree to that? Huh?
Nana, we agree.
Now, bring your hands, let me take the blood. Yeah.
Jago, the fearful one.
Am I measure preview? Am I measure preview? Am I measure to Jago? Oh no, come for ya, oh no, come for no chicken, yo, opening you. Take it. Throw it into a river. And in the course of doing that, hold each other firmly.
Nana, thanks very much. We shall forever be grateful to you.
Am I measure preview? Am I measure preview? Am I measure to Jago?
Dada, thank you very much.
My dog Benada dance here. Hey, I don't dance. Essa é santa. Hey, see.
I think by now you have consulted all the parties involved.
Yes, I have. So you have come for the answer.
Hey, Akwe.
Efo, there is a problem.
What is it?
Unfortunately, the marriage cannot come on as agreed.
Any special reason?
Efo, I'm very sorry to disappoint you. After careful consideration, the marriage cannot come on as agreed on the grounds that your hometown is far. So, should anything happen and you have to travel to your hometown, it will give us a problem.
But that is not a problem. Openi, I think that is not reasonable. How can you deny the marriage on the grounds of proximity disadvantage?
Openi,
let's call a spade a spade. Therefore, the problem is not only the distance.
What else?
We don't want our daughter to marry from your tribe. Our tribe and your tribe cannot mix.
How?
Therefore, we come from a superior tribe.
Then?
And it will almost be a taboo to sanction this marriage.
Oh.
In fact, we are sorry. You must try to understand.
Openi, have you thought of your actions? Have you thought about your actions? Should anything happen, don't blame anybody. Don't blame me. I'm a cowboy. Tagokufuto. Joe, me not tell me akpo. Me not tell me akpo.
Brago, you should stop seeing that boy. Men from that tribe are not good.
Papa, do you have any example to substantiate your point?
Hey, Brago, he is your father. If he says no, it is no.
Papa, that is not fair. I'll marry him.
I said no.
Papa, I love Doji. I'll marry him. I love Doji. Doji, I love you.
What is happening?
Dada, qual é o ódio? Qual é o ódio? Le non ta, non mi faut boire de ta. Qual é o ódio? Me tapa. Joba. Ne la chance au blow. Adikadu edu. Me tapa. Adikadu edu. Jobi bia, passer ma boabo. Jobi bia, passer ma boabo. Anya ko na lesia. Anya me ko na lesia. Me ba nya me ko na lesia.
Dada, what have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? It can't job.
Oh, you are? Babu, I told you, our daughter is paying for her action. Hey, Dada, what have we done wrong? For refusing our daughter to marry her son? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Hey, only Bangunani. What is up here? But if I timu da, Apanaba, Namudia Jimano.
Mumba Jaham come before some will be a majami. Mumba Jaham come before some be a majami.
Nana Kanswa and Warangani da.
Obeying, I was right. Because I did not allow our daughter to marry your son. You go ahead and kill her. Kill her! Oh, kill her!
Hey!
Kill her!
Hey! Musate for Mufisa Mua drink to Obia. Now I am a banner Jimmy. Now for Ubano, Fakoma Bama for Wale. Eh? Escalates, me pogala, Anya, Cho!
Davy, let me tell you, none of our descendants will be allowed to marry from your wicked, callous and inferior tribe. Me probi manawa meba anwunani anwunato ye nuwa ne se na mbe mo check mo it will never happen. It will never happen.
Agafaka. Agafaka.
Bebe the kukula. Inam.
Nana, having known the truth now, can we set the record straight?
I will not encourage you to do that, but rather encourage them to come and see me. I still have the 2 pieces of gold Birago brought to me. The 2 pieces of gold they brought to me. Also,
Nana,
go and ask your father to come and see me.
Yes, Nana.
Nana, does it also mean we can continue to love each other?
Of course you do. You do. You do. You couldn't get anybody to move with apart from this shady boy. Foolish no, come on there. Damn it. a man, he should come here. Foolish.
Open up the window. Also, I've been locked up by my father. He's sitting at the entrance of the door. Open up the window. I can't open the window. Let me see what I can do. Okay.
Taking just like that. See, come be here. We'll see when you're going to come.